Pinky sleeping again. You wake up, Lola. Pinky early in the morning.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Careful with the glass, ah. Girl, baka meron kang tuyong basahan. O, basa yung hawak niya. So, para masundan niya ng tuyo. Ah? Ay, yung ano, yung amarilis? Oh, yung ganda.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me?
Go ahead. Just be careful.
Excuse me?
Okay.
Excuse me?
See, Mommy, I'll put it on the table.
Put it on the table.
Okay, so it will not fall. Good job.
Excuse me?
Hey, Malay, you want the dog?
Bigyan mo kaya siya ng basket na paglalagyan mo.
Okay.
Oo. Put it here.
Put it here.
It's okay. Ah, nababasag. Kaya ayaw niya iwan lang.
Put it
Okay.
here.
Yeah, okay.